Hi Renee, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. I wanted to show you the red Sonata Hybrid on our showroom floor. Let's get right to it. It's got the eco-friendly alloy wheels. Everything on this car is built and designed so you can get impeccable gas mileage. There is ample room for 3 passengers in the back. Now on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got your volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. Pair your phone before you drive off the lot. The trip here toggles through your back display. This has heated front seats, CD player, backup camera, auxiliary, iPod, USB, AM, FM, XM. XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. Renee, I want to tell you the most important thing. That is the America's Best warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. This car also comes equipped with BlueLink telematics. We'll go into more of that whenever you and I meet. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership is 205-907-4700. The dealership number, 205-380-6250. Again, that's my cell, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you, Renee.